Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I created this blue look, so if you would like to see how I got it, then keep on watching. So I've been wanting to use the Morphe 39A palette again, and specifically I've been wanting to do a look with some of the blue shades, or like one or two of them. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I've been seeing looks all over Instagram where it's like a warm brown crease and then like a pop of blue on the lid, so I think that's what I'm gonna do today. So first I'm gonna take this shade right here called Canvas, and I'm gonna take that on a BH Cosmetics Studio Pro number 5 brush, and I'm gonna run that into my crease. Next, I'm going to take this shade right here called Sunder, and I'm going to take that on a Morphe B79 brush and run that into my crease as well. Next, I'm going to take this shade right here, and that's called Cut Crease. And I'm going to take that on a Morphe M573 brush. And I'm going to run that into my crease too. And I'm also going to start to focus it on the outer corner of my eye. Next, I'm going to take this blue shade right here that's called Indigo. And I'm going to take it on a Morphe M433 brush, and I'm going to start to dot it on my outer corner, and then I'll blend it out with the M573 brush that I just used. Next, I'm going to cut my crease using some concealer and my Morphe M421 brush. Okay, so I just cut my crease, and now I'm going to dip back into the blue shade and the darker brown shade and dot it along where I stopped the concealer, just so I can blend this and like the shimmer shade together. I'm actually liking how it looks with just the blue shade right now, so I think I'm gonna leave it at that. And now I'm gonna take this blue shade right here called Dare Me, and I'm gonna take that on a BH Cosmetics Studio Pro number 9 brush, and I'm gonna put that over top where I put the concealer. I think I'm gonna try putting this shade on with my finger, just because it's not going on super great with the brush. Okay, now I'm just gonna do the same thing on this eye. Okay, just to give the eyes a little bit of some extra dimension, I'm going to go into the Dose of Colors Desi and Katy Friencation palette. And I'm going to take this top blue shade right here, and I'm going to take that on my finger and press it onto where we put that blue shadow. Okay, so that is the eyes for now. I'm gonna go off camera, clean up any fallout that's on my face, and then I'll be back for foundation. For foundation today, I'm gonna use the NYX Cosmetics Bear With Me Tinted Skin Veil in Vanilla Nude. Next, I'm gonna conceal using my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in 5 Ivory. For bronzer today, I'm going to take my Colourpop Coconut Beach Bronzer and my e.l.f. Flawless Face Brush. For blush, I'm going to use the Lottie Linen Blush Crush in the shade Drake. For highlighter today, I'm going to use the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter and Be My Highlight number 10. I did my eyebrows and my mascara off camera, and next for lashes, I'm going to use the Boldface Beauty Lashes in the style After Hours. So off camera, I just put some black eyeliner in my waterline, and next I'm going to do my lower lash line. I'm going to take the blue shade again, and I'm going to take that on a Beach Cosmetics Studio Pro 11 brush, and I'm going to press that along my bottom lash line. Next I'm going to take this brown shade on a Beach Studio Pro number 8 brush, and I'm going to blend that blue shade out. Next I'm going to mix between this shade and this shade, and I'm going to do that on an e.l.f. blending brush, and I'm going to blend those two colors out some more. For lips today, first I'm going to start off by lining with the Essence Soft Contour Lip Liner in shade 7, Lost in Love. Next for lipstick, I'm going to use the MAC Amplified Lipstick in the shade Blankety. And on top of that, I'm going to use the Fenty Glossbomb in the shade Fussy. So that was the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and also that you're subscribed and following me on all my social media, which will be listed in the down bar below. And I will see you all next time.